Hey, hello everybody. Today we have the Rosmarinus capture device. This is an HD audio and video capture card that you can plug in via USB to your PC or Mac. Today I'm making an unboxing. This is a pretty basic box, how you can see right now. We get a gift card if we review this product. So there you have it. Also, we have the device itself. Also, we have the instruction manual in color, so we can see how it has to be plugged in on our devices. Also, to remind you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We also get a USB Type-C to USB adapter if you have a Type-C PC, maybe a new MacBook. The card itself is pretty basic. You have a HD in, out, and also audio and mic in, so you can record everything right away. So I connect everything to my Mac Pro. I have the HD in from my Xbox One X to my capture card. Also I have the HDMI out to the TV, and we are playing some Warzone right now. Let's see it. In this record I use OBS to record all our stream from our TV. And the magic of this card is that you can actually stream and also record your voice, everything from the card. So it's pretty basic. Right now I have some OG games. This is Gears of War 3. I put this game because when I was a kid I always want to record my gameplay, and all the capture cards were very expensive, so this is for me magic. Right now I'm playing on my Xbox 360. I record this because when I was a kid, my cousin and me play this game and record everything with a expensive capture card from about 200 USD, and right now I can record it with only $40, so it's magic for me. Let's see it.
All hands, report to battle station.
How you can see, guys, this car is pretty amazing. I like it very much, so I can recommend it. Also, if you want to subscribe and like this video, it will help me a lot, so I can keep making more videos and maybe get more stuff for you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.